Welcome to Wheel Whisperer, your ultimate destination for automotive reviews and insights. Today, we're exploring the revolutionary Tesla Model S, a true masterpiece that redefines what an electric luxury sedan can be. With its futuristic design, blistering performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Tesla Model S is engineered to deliver an unparalleled driving experience that captivates both enthusiasts and everyday drivers. The exterior of the Tesla Model S is a vision of modern elegance, featuring sleek, aerodynamic lines, bold LED headlights, and a minimalist grille that sets the tone for the innovation within. Every detail from the flush door handles to the refined paint finishes exemplifies Tesla's commitment to a design that is as functional as it is beautiful. Step inside, and the cabin immediately transports you to the future of driving, where premium materials and an open, minimalist layout create an atmosphere of luxury and simplicity. The centerpiece is a massive central touchscreen that intuitively controls navigation, media, and vehicle settings, while a digital instrument cluster provides real-time updates on speed, battery status, and more, enhanced with heated seats, ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art sound system. The interior is designed for an immersive first-class experience on every journey. Under the hood, the Tesla Model S boasts an advanced electric drivetrain that delivers instant torque and exhilarating acceleration, shattering expectations with its 0 to 60 mph performance while offering an impressive range for long-distance travel. Tesla's over-the-air updates and advanced driver assistance systems ensure the Model S is always at the forefront of automotive innovation, with safety features like collision avoidance and adaptive cruise control providing peace of mind on every drive. The Tesla Model S is more than just a car, it's a bold statement about the future of mobility, blending unmatched performance, luxurious comfort, and sustainable technology into one revolutionary package. What do you think of the Tesla Model S? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Wheel Whisperer for more in-depth insights into the latest automotive breakthroughs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.